Hello guys, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಭಟ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. So let's get started. The first problem of double integral is, take this question, 0 to 1 and x to root x, xy dy dx. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ x, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y ಗೆ x to root x, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ x ಗೆ 0 to 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ I is equals to x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from x to root x, xy dy dx. Okay, next integrate. ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು y ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು y ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, and in x varies from 0 to 1, x keep as it is, and integration of y is what I told you, right? X to the power integration of x dx is equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. I told this formula, right? In this way only we take y here, right? Here x dx and here y dx. So y to the power, here n is what, y is, that means its power is 1, right? 1, n is 1 here, plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? That is xy square divided by 2. Apply the limit for this. What is the limit? X to root x, right? After we have to integrate it with respect to x. Okay. Next, apply the limit. X is equal to 0 to 1, x and keep it as it is, and by 2. Y square by 2 is there, right? Here 1 by 2. The y square coefficient of y square is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is also constant. Take it outside. Okay. Apply the limit. Y square, right? Y square. In the place of y, you have to substitute the upper limit first. Okay, upper limit is what? Root x its whole square, because here is y square, so we have to apply as it is, okay, minus the lower limit is what? X. Here y square is there, so we have to square it. Okay, after what we have to do? Integrate it with respect to x. Okay, x varies from 0 to 1, x by 2 is constant outside, and root x whole square means what? Root x into root x, right? Root x into root x means nothing but it is x. So write it as it is, x minus x square. Integrate it with respect to x. Okay. Next. So simplify it. X varies from 0 to 1, x square and x by 2. X into x is what? X square. 1 by 2 is common. X square minus x square here is here, and x square into x is x cube, right? Dx. 1 by 2, take it outside. X varies from 0 to 1, x square. Integration of x square is what? Again apply the same formula, that is integration of x to the power n dx is equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Apply this formula. Here n is what? 2, and in here n is 3, right? Apply the formula. X square n plus 1, x to the power n plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3, right? Divided by n plus 1, 3, plus here x to the power 3, x to the power 3 means what? X to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4, divided by 3 plus 1, 4, right? Here this integral, this is not required, apply value here because we did integration, right? So integration varies from x varies from where? 0 to 1, yeah. 1 by 2, and here what is the common? 1 by 3, common here, x cube. X cube means upper limit is what? 1, it's cube, right? Minus lower limit is 0, 0 cube, plus 1 by 4 common here, same, 1 raised to 4 minus 0 raised to 4, right? Simplify it again. What will we get? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 to the power 3 means what? 1 only, and 0 cube means nothing but it's a 0, plus 1, sorry, here is 1 by 3, right? 1 by 4, 1 to the power 4 means 1 only, minus 0 to the power means 0 only, okay. 1 by 2, how much here? 1 minus 0 means 1, 1 into, no, 1 by 3 means it's 1 by 3 only, plus 1 minus 0 means 1, 1 into anything, that number only, right? 1 by 4 here. Take the LCM here, 1 by 2, 4 3s are 12, 4 minus 3, 4, 3, sorry, 4 plus 3, right? Yeah, that is 1 by 2, 4 plus 3 means 7, 7 by 12, that is 7 by 24, final answer. Yeah, I missed something here because instead of minus I wrote here plus, that's why my answer becomes wrong. Keep it minus here. Here also it is minus only, okay? Sorry for okay, here is minus. Do the correction please, okay? 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1 by 12, that is 1 by 24. 1 by 24 is your final answer. I is equals to 1 by 24. Okay, next problem. Second problem is integration 0 to 1 and x to root x, x square plus y square dy dx. This is the important problem. First, let I is equals to, already heard the limit, it is the form of x, right? So this is the limit for y, okay? Y varies from x to root x, and this is the constant limit. So this is for x. X varies, okay? So x square plus y square dy dx. Okay. Integrate it. X varies from 0 to 1 and x square plus y square. X square plus y square. We are doing the integration with respect to y. Keep it in mind. X square. X square is, while doing integration with respect to y, treat x square as constant. Okay. Integration of dx is what? Sorry, dy is what? here x square is constant, means here is nothing there, right? 1 dy. So integration of dy is y plus y square. We know y square is equals to y to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, right? That is y cube by 3. Writing here only answer y cube by 3. Okay, integration over, apply the limit x to root x. Okay, see here, x varies from 0 to 1, x square, take it outside, and y is what? Root x, upper limit root x minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? X, right? Okay, plus y cube by 3, y cube by 3. Here 1 by 3 is common because coefficient of y cube is what? 1 by 3, right? So y cube. Here y cube, replace the y by root x, upper limit root x whole cube minus lower limit. Lower limit is what? X to the power 3. Okay, applied. We have to simplify it. After what we have to do? We have to integrate with respect to x. Okay. What is here? X square. Here is root x. Root x means what? I will write here only. Root x means what? Root x means x to the power 1 by 2. Right? X to the power 1 by 2. I will write answer here. X to the power square, x square, right? Here is x to the power 1 by 2 minus x plus 1 by 3 into root x cube. Means what? Root x cube means what? Root x into root x into root x, right? Root x into root x means what? It is x. X into root x. X into root x, correct? X is there. Root x power means what? 1 by 2. Bases are same. Then what we can do? Exponential rule. According to the exponential rule, if the bases are same, then we can add the power of that, right? So x to the power, here 1 is there and 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 means what? 1 plus 1 by 2 means 1 and half, right? 1 and half means what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? 1 by 1.5. 1.5 means 1 and half, right? So I will write it directly, okay? X to the power 3 by 2 minus, what's that? X cube, right? After integrate with respect to x, okay? Integration x varies from 0 to 1. Next, simplify. X square is there, here half. X2 bases are same, right? X2 plus half, 2 and half, right? 2 and half means what? 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2 means what? 2.5. 2.5 means 2 and half. Use the common sense here. So 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 2 minus x square into x, that is x cube here, and 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus x cube dx into x varies from 0 to 1 here. After next simplification is over. Okay, then I can write it as, now I will write here then it becomes what? Integration. Okay, I will do separate this, okay? Here this part and this part. X varies from 0 to 1, x to the power 5 by 2 minus x cube. This is my one part dx plus 1 by 3 is constant here, right? Take it outside. Integration x varies from 0 to 1 and x to the power 3 by 2 minus x to the power 3 into dx. Okay. Next what we have to do? I will integrate it. Okay, I will integrate it. Okay, x to the power 5 by 2. X to the power 5 by 2 is there, right? Formula for what we have the formula x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, right? So x to the power 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means what? That is 2.5, right? 2.5 plus 1, that is 3.5. 3.5. What is the meaning of 3.5? That is equals to 7 by 2, right? So right, 7 divided by 2 we have 2. Then we have 3.5, right? So I will write x to the power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. We have the formula like that only, right? N plus 1 divided by n plus 1. X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, right? Okay. Minus x to the power 3. It's easy. X to the power n plus 1. 3 plus 1, that is 4 divided by n plus 1. 4. Okay. Apply the limit here. X varies from 0 to 1. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is common for both. X to the power 3 by 2. X to the power 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 means what? 1 and a half, right? 1 and a half. 1.5. 1.5 plus 1 divided, that is equals to what? 2.5. 2.5 means what? 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2, we will get 2.5, right? Integration. This is the answer for that. X to the power 2.5. 2.5 means what? 5 by 2. And then means what? N plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1, we will get 5 by 2. 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 minus x to the power 3. It's easy for you. 3 plus 1, that is 4 divided by 4. Apply the limit for here also. X varies from 0 to 1. Okay. Here 7 by 2 is there, right? If 7 by 2 goes to numerator. 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2. X to the power 7 by 2 is there, right? 7 by 2. Apply the upper limit. Instead of x, we will have to write upper limit 1 to the power 7 by 2 minus lower limit 0 to the power 7 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 4 into what? Here x4 is there. Coefficient of x4 is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4, take it outside, and x to the power 4. 1 to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4. Okay. Plus 1 by 3 is common for this for 2 terms. Take it outside. And here is there 5 by 2. Here 2 goes to numerator. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into x to the power 5 by 2 means what? Apply the upper limit 1 to the power 5 by 2 minus 0 to the power 5 by 2. Right? Minus 1 by 4 is common because the coefficient of x4 is 1 by 4. Right? Take it outside, and x to the power 4. 1 to the power, apply the upper limit 1 to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4. Okay. Simplify it, you will get the answer. Okay. 2 by 7, write it as it is, into 1 to the power 7 by 2 means 1 to the power anything, that is 1 only. Minus 0 to the power 7, it's understood 0 only. Plus minus 1 by 4. 1 to the power 4, 1 minus 0 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 into 1 to the power 5 by 2 means 1 only minus 0. 1 by 4, 1 minus 0 equals to 2 by 7. 1 minus 0 means 1 only, right? 1. 2 by 7 into 1, 2 by 7 only, minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 0 is 1 only, 1 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into 2 by 5 is 2 by 5, minus 1 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Okay. that is 2 by 7 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 into 2, 3 into 5, 15 minus plus into minus minus 1 by 3, 1 by 1 into 1, 1 and 3 into 4, 12, 1 by 12. Calculate it on the calculator or take the LCM and find the answer. You will get the answer like 3 by 35. Your final answer is I equals to 3 by 35. Let me move towards triple integration. Take the problem. First problem. Integration 0 to a and 0 to x plus 5 e to the power x plus y plus z dz dy dx. This is the problem. Start. Let I is equals to, see, 0 to x plus y is there, right? This term contains x plus y. Means what? This term, this limit does not contain z. So this is limit for z. And second limit 0 to x does not contain y, right? So then this is for y. And obviously the last limit is a constant limit for x is 0 to a. Okay. What we have e to the power x plus y plus z dz dy and dx. Okay, we have e to the power x plus y plus z. We have the exponential rule. What is that? E to the power not only x to the power m plus n. We can write it as e to the x to the power m into x to the power n. Like it only, I will split this. Okay. So it becomes I equals to x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to x, and z varies from 0 to x plus y. E to the power x into e to the power y into e to the power z dz dy dx. Integrated. Now it becomes x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to x, and e to the power x, e to the power y. While we do integration with respect to z, x and y terms are constant. So write it as it is: e to the power x into e to the power y into e to the power z, e to the power z dz, e to the power I told the formula, right? E to the power x, integration of e to the power x dx is e to the power x only. So here also e to the power z only. Apply the limit for this. What is the limit? Z varies from 0 to x plus y. After what we have to do? We have to integrate with respect to y and x. Okay. Simplify this. It becomes what? E to the power x plus y, right? Keep it as it is: e to the power x, e to the power y into e to the power z, e to the power z. What is that? E to the power z. Apply the, first what we have to do? Apply the upper limit. It becomes what? E to the power x plus y minus e to the power what? E to the power 0, right? E to the power 0. What we have to integrate it with respect to y and x. 0. Y varies from 0 to x varies from 0 to a. we can also write this as e to the power y is there here, right? E to the power y means what? Also we can write it as what? I told x to the power m into x to the power n. Bases are same, then we can add the powers, right? E to the power m plus n. Like that only, I will do like that only. E to the power x plus y into e to the power x plus y minus e to the power 0. That is, e to the power 0 means what? Anything to the power 0 means it's 1 dy dx. Apply the limit, y varies from 0 to x and x varies from 0 to a. Okay. After, if you multiply this, it becomes what? E to the power x into e to the power x. That is e to the power x square, right? So we can write that as e to the power 2x plus what? E to the power y into e to the power y means e to the power y square. So we can write that as e to the power 2y minus what? E to the power x plus y. E to the power x plus y. E to the power x plus y minus 1 is e to the power x plus y. Okay. After what we have to do, integrate it with respect to y and x. Limit y uniform, y varies from 0 to x varies from 0 to a. See, while doing integration with respect to x, we have to split it again. Then it becomes what? E to the power 2x into e to the power 2y minus e to the power x into e to the power y. Right? Keep it in mind, dy dx. X varies from 0 to a and y varies from 0 to x. Now we have to integrate it with respect to y. What happens here? Yeah. See, while doing integration with respect to y, keep x term as constant. Write that as this. E to the power 2x is there. Write that e to the power x only into e to the power 2y. E to the power 2y is there. I told the formula in the previous video. E to the power ay. Integration of e to the power ax dx is equals to e to the power ax divided by a. Right? I told that formula in the previous video. Like it only, e to the power 2y is there. We have to do integrate with respect to y. Then it becomes e to the power 2y divided by coefficient of y is 2 divided by 2. Okay? Minus e to the power x. And write as this, and integration of e to the power y with respect to y is e to the power y only, right? Like that only. Okay. X varies from y to y, 0 to a. Apply the limit. Limit is what? We have the limit y varies from 0 to x. E to the power 2x, right as it is, and coefficient of e to the power 2y is what? 1 by 2. Take it common. E to the power 2y. Apply the upper limit. Upper limit is what? X. Apply that. E to the power 2x minus lower limit. E to the power 0 minus e to the power x, right as it is, and e to the power y. Instead of y, we have to replace y by upper limit, that is e to the power x minus e to the power lower limit, that is e to the power 0. After what we have to integrate it with respect to x. Okay. X varies from 0 to 1. Next what we have to do means simplify it. E to the power 2x, e to the power 2x, that is e to the power 4x divided by 2. 2 into 1, that is 2, minus e to the power 0. E to the power 0 means what? I told e to the power 0 means anything, not only e to the power 0, anything to the power that is 1 only. E to the power 2x divided by 2 into 1, that is e to the power 2x by 2 only, e to the power 2x by 2 only, minus e to the power x, e to the power x into e to the power x, that is e to the power x square. So we can write that as e to the power 2x minus 0. What is there? Minus into minus. Minus into minus, that is plus. E to the power 0 means 1. I told, right? E to the power 0 is 1. 1 into e to the power x is e to the power x. After that, what we have to do? Integrate it with respect to x. X varies from here 0 to a. Okay. Now integrate it with respect to x. Simple. E to the power 4x divided by 2. That is, write e to the power 4 as it is, 4x. Then divide the coefficient of x. Simple. 4 already we have 2. That is 4 into 2. Minus e to the power 2x divided by e to the power 2 is the right, 2x divided by x coefficient 2. Already we have 2, so multiply 2. Minus e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x, coefficient of x is 2, so divided by 2. Plus e to the power x. Integration of e to the power x, nothing but e to the power x only. Apply the limit. X varies from 0 to 1. Okay. Apply the limits. E to the power 4x. So 4 into 2 is what? 8. 1 by 8 is common for this. E to the power 4x. Apply the upper limit. Sorry, here a. Okay. E to the power 4x. Replace the x by upper limit. That becomes what? E to the power 4a minus our lower limit. E to the power 4 into 0. Or that is 0. E to the power 0 minus e to the power 1 by 4 is common. E to the power 2 into x. X upper limit is what? A. Minus e to the power 2 into 0 is 0. After e to the power 1 by 2 is common here. E to the power 4x. Sorry, 2x. 2 into upper limit is what? A. Minus e to the power lower limit 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Okay. Plus e to the power what? X. We have x, right? A minus lower limit e to the power 0. Simplify that. 1 by 8 into e to the power 4a minus e to the power 0 means 1 plus minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2a minus 1 by 2 into e to the power 2a minus 1 plus e to the power a minus 1. Then it becomes what? 1 by 8 into e to the power 4, that is e to the power 4a divided by 8 minus 1 by 8 into 1, that is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 into e to the power 2a is e to the power 2a divided by 4 minus 1 by minus into minus what? Plus 1 by 4 minus e to the power 2a divided by 2 minus into plus is minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 minus e to the power a plus e to the power a minus 1. Take the LCM. Take the LCM for that. We can easily say that the LCM of this is what? 8 only. E to the power 4. We have denominator 8, right? No need to multiply. E to the power 4a minus 1. Here also we have 8. Minus e numerator. If denominator becomes 2, then we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, right? So then only it becomes 8. 4 into 2, 8, right? Like that only. 2 into e to the power 2a plus multiply both numerator and numerator by 2. So that is what? 2 minus 2 here is the what? 2. What if we multiply 4, then only denominator becomes 8, right? So 4 e to the power 2a plus, here also we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, then that is 4 minus plus, here is denominator 1, here also 1, right? We have to multiply both denominator and numerator by 8. Okay, that is 8 e to the power a minus 8, right? We have to simplify that, then we will get the final answer. Yeah. What we have here? Minus 2 e to the power 2a minus 4 e to the power 2a. Minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6, right? E to the power 4a, right? As it is e to the power 4a minus what we have? Minus e to the power 2a minus e to the power 4a, because this is common, right? So we can add the coefficients. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 e to the power 2a. After that, what we have plus 8 e to the power a. Then what we have? Minus 8. I will write it here. Minus 8 here, plus 4 here, plus 2 here, minus 1. Right? Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 4 plus 2. That is what? Minus 9 plus 4 is 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So finally what we have? Minus 3 divided by 8. This is your final answer. I is equals to e to the power 4a minus e to the power 2a plus e to the power a minus 3 whole divided by 8. This is your final answer. Okay, the next problem is second problem, right? Second problem. Minus c to c, minus b to b, and minus a to a. The function is x square plus y square plus z square into dz dy dx. This is the function, right? Let I is equals to minus 8 to x. So first we have what? These three are constant functions. So what we have to see here? First, what we are doing? We are doing integration with respect to z, right? So this function is z minus a to a. And second is what? Minus y is equals to minus b to b, and the last is x is equals to minus c to c. The function is x square plus y square plus z square into dz dy and dx. Okay, integrate it with respect to z. It becomes what? X very strong, minus c to c. Y very strong, minus b to b. X square, x, we are doing integration with respect to z, right? I told already, integration of k dx is equals to take k outside and integration of d is nothing but x, right? So answer is kx. Like that only we are, while we are doing integration with respect to z, other things, other terms are treated as constant. So the x square term is constant here, take it outside, and integration of dz is what? Z, right? That only, like that only. Okay, plus similarly y square, take it outside, and integration of dz is what? Z, plus z, here is z, z term is there, right? Integration of z square is what? Z square, and z to the power n plus 1, that is z to the power 2 plus 1, what? That is 2 plus 1 is what? 3, right? Z to the power 3 divided by n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, right? Apply the limit. What is the limit? Minus a to a, right? Z varies from minus a to a. After what we have to do, integrate this with respect to y and x. Okay. We have what? X square z. Apply the upper limit first. Okay. First apply upper limit for these terms. X square z. Z means what here? A. Right? Right. Or right like that only. And y square. Upper limit a. Right like that only. Plus what we have? Plus upper limit, sorry, a z cube, that is upper limit is what? A cube by 3. Upper limit is over minus lower limit. Okay, x square z is what? Lower limit is what? A minus, right? Plus y square z, right? Y square into minus a plus of minus a cube divided by 3, right? After what we have to do, integrate it with respect to z and x, y and x. Y varies from minus b to b, x varies from minus c to c. Okay, simplify this. Simplify that. What you will get? Simply, I will explain here only. See here. It becomes what? Minus x square a, right? Minus y square a and minus a cube by 3, right? So, if we take the common from both terms, minus and minus it becomes plus, right? Minus into this, that is plus. Minus into this, that is minus into minus plus. Minus into minus, that is plus, right? So I will write the answer directly. Okay. What it becomes? X square a plus y square a plus a cube by 3. This terms becomes plus, right? So I will write the answer directly. Plus what? X square a plus y square b plus z square, a cube by 3 minus, a cube by 3, right? Yeah. Integration y varies from minus b to b, x varies from minus c to c with respect to y and x. Okay. Simplify it. X square a, x square a, 2x square a, y square a, y square, y square a, y square we have a, right? Y square, that is plus 2y square a plus a cube by 3, a cube by 3, 2a cube by 3, right? dy dx. Y varies from minus b to b and x varies from minus c to c. Simple. After what we have to do? Similarly, Now we have to integrate it with respect to y. 2x square a. See here, no terms are y. So these complete terms becomes constant. So 2x square a write as it is into y. Right? Plus here is y square. Y term is there. 2 write as it is y square. Y square means what? That is integration of y to the power 2 plus 1. That is y to the power 3. Divided by 3a. Okay, plus 2a cube by 3. Whole terms are constant into, we are doing integration with respect to y, so multiply by y. And limit y varies from minus b to plus b. After what we have to integrate it with respect to x. Simplify, apply the limit. 2x square a y is what? First y apply the upper limit b plus 2a 3 is common. Apply the upper limit. Upper limit is what? B cube plus 2a cube by 3. Upper limit is b. Right? So this becomes what? 2x square a of minus b is right, and plus 2a by 3 b cube minus b cube, minus b cube, then plus 2a cube by 3 into minus b. After what we have to integrate with respect to x, right? So same as previous, minus into minus. I will write here. Okay, minus 2. It becomes what? Minus 2x square ab. This is minus 2ab cube by 3, right? Plus 2a cube, sorry, minus, plus into minus, right? A cube b by 3, right? Here also minus into minus becomes plus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. I will write the answer directly. Okay, what we have, x varies from minus a to c. Here is what? 2x square ab plus 2ab cube by 3, right, plus 2a cube b by 3 minus into minus plus 2x square ab minus 2ab cube by 3, sorry, plus, minus into minus becomes plus, right, plus 2a cube b by 3. After what we have to do, integrate this with respect to x. Simplify it. 2x ab, 2x square ab. That becomes 4x square ab plus 2ab cube by 3 plus 2ab cube by 3. That is plus 4ab cube by 3. After that, what we have? 2a cube b by 3, 2a cube b by 3. So that is 4a cube b by 3. Integrate it with respect to x. X varies from minus c to c. Okay. So after what we have to do, integrate this with respect to x. Okay. We have x down here. It becomes what? 4x cube by 3a. That is as it is, right? As it is, because that is constant. Plus 4ab cube divided by 3. Multiply to this with x, because we are doing the integration with respect to x, right? So after 4a cube b by 3 into x, similarly, okay, apply the limits where x varies from minus c to plus c. Apply the limits now. 4x cube upper limit is what? C. So that is c cube ab divided by 3, right? Plus 4ab cube divided by 3 into x upper limit, right? Plus 4a cube b by 3 into upper limit is what? C, right? Next, minus of say 4 minus c, apply the lower limit now. Apply the lower limit, minus c cube ab divided by 3 plus 4 ab cube by 3 into minus c plus 4 a cube b into minus c divided by 3, right? Now also it becomes what? Minus 4ab c cube minus 4ab c cube divided by 3 minus 4ab cube c divided by 3 plus, so plus into minus is what? Minus 4ab a cube bc divided by 3, right? Now it becomes now all the same. Minus, so minus becomes plus, minus, that is also becomes plus. I will write the answer directly. Okay, sorry, okay. It becomes what? I becomes what? 4c cube ab divided by 3 plus 4ab cube c divided by 3 plus 4a cube b c divided by 3 plus 4abc cube divided by 3 plus 4ab cube c divided by 3 plus 4a cube b c divided by 3, right? Now we have to do simplification. 4abc cube, that is, it becomes what? 8abc cube divided by 3, okay, plus here plus 4ab cube c divided by 3 plus 4ab cube divided by 3, it becomes 8ab cube divided by c, then 4a cube bc divided by 3 plus 4a cube bc divided by 3, it becomes 8a cube bc, right, divided by 3. Observe that we can take 8 by 3 common, right? 8 by 3, and also ABC is common, right? ABC in the 3 terms, ABC is common. So 8ABC take outside, it becomes what? If we take ABC without here, c square is remaining, right? C square. If we take 8 ABC divided by 3 means here b square is remaining, here a square is remaining. So your final I is 8abc divided by 3, a square plus b square plus c square. this completes your triple integration. From in the next video we will see how to do the change of integrals and polar coordinates and all. Okay, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, share with your friends. Till then, bye.